They say cats have 9 lives. I use 3 before breakfast. No, 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 no! No! I hate water!
Drowning on your first gate? Pathetic, orange boy. The gate's dying. This whole world has minutes.
My collar! It's glowing! What's happening? There! The core piece! We just need to deterrence Everynup.
It just ate it.
Great! Now the fish has superpowers. Throw me at its mouth!
You're insane. I love it.
Come on, come on, come on! The sky is down. The ground is up. I'm gonna be sick! My gravity just flipped again!
My wings won't hold in this gravity mess. We go on foot.
Please be a statue! Please be a statue! Not a statue!
Go! I'll keep Ugly busy!
Jump, flip, land! Why is the wall coming at me? There you are, shiny thing. Don't move! It absorbed the core. It's the boss fight now. Prism, get me above it! The stone calls to the core!
Gate's healing! But Ziggy, your stone has another crack.
Every gate you save costs you a crack. Save them all, and you shatter.
98 more cracks won't stop me. Let's go.
Then we run. Together.
Everything's made of yarn, and something's unraveling it.
The fire isn't burning, it's stealing this world thread by thread!
My paw! The cracks are changing me!
The core's inside that thing. The ball is alive.
Wait! My yarn paw cuts yarn! The curse is a weapon! I'm inside a giant yarn ball being squeezed! Living the dream!
Ziggy, you have 30 seconds before it seals shut!
Got it! Now get me out!
The gate's closing! The world is saved!
It stopped spreading, but it's not going back. The yarn remembers who saved it. It will fight for you now.
20 gates cracking at once? It was 3 this morning.
That stone on your neck, it's not a charm. It's the 100th gate. The gate to everything.
I'm not wearing a charm. I'm wearing a bomb.
Save the gates. The stone cracks. Don't save them. The energy flows back. Either way, the stone breaks, void wins.
Who put this on me? Why me?
Void says hi and goodbye.
A rainbow and a grandpa? That's all you got? New trick, yarn whip. Didn't see that coming, did ya?
Old cats break easy.
Nobody touches him! The God output's ready!
There is a way. The first gate. It can reforge your stone, but only Void knows where it is.
The gates are leaking! Their worlds are spilling into ours!
Trap or not, I'm going in. Those worlds need me, now.
Took you long enough. Welcome to World 4. I already started breaking it. 3 against 1? Nah. 3 against everyone.
The Ice Wolves keep rebuilding! This world is fighting all of us! He's not breaking the world, he's carving a spell into it! Stop ruining my art, you orange pest! Your art is murder!
I see the heart! Going in!
Broke your spell, jerk!
Ziggy! I need you down here! My wings can't hold much longer!
Sorry, elevator going down! Resonance, now!
Made it. Barely. Again.
4 cracks! My face is turning yarn! How many more can I take?
Our world is falling apart. You must find the first gate before there's no world left to save.
Our reflections are moving on their own, and they're smiling.
Finally, the original meets the copy. Guess which one's you?
Your wings are already broken, sweetheart. Let me finish the job.
Look at you. Half yarn, cracked stone, no plan. You're a joke. Void built every gate. Nimbus betrayed him. Locked him between worlds for 1,000 years. Your precious stone? It's the key to his prison. Nimbus gave it to you so you'd be the one to...
Nice story, but your stone is fake. No cracks means no connection. You never saved anything. Broken is real, perfect is fake, and real always wins.
Ziggy? That part was true. He did trap Void. They were friends, and he betrayed him.
Nimbos has some explaining to do, right now!
I did it to save everyone. Void's power was eating the gates. I had no choice. Void is the first gate. His body, his mind, his rage, it all became a door. The door to absolute nothing.
Void wants his old friend back, for a little chat. Nimbus! Hold on!
Welcome home, old friend. I've been waiting. 1,000 years in the dark.
This is where he's been, for 1,000 years, alone.
One question, Nimbus. Do you regret it? No. I'd do it again. You were destroying the gates, Void. You were becoming the thing you swore to protect against.
I was the protector! I built everything, and he threw me away!
Void's too emotional. Let me end this.
Still worth it.
You built the gates to connect worlds, not to destroy them. I know because the gates remember you. Every gate I saved, I felt you in them. Your joy, your wonder. This isn't who you are, Void. Thanks for the power, boss, but I don't need you anymore. You traitor! I gave you everything! And now, I'm taking the rest.
A yarn cat, a broken bird, and a fossil. Adorable.
I can't undo 1,000 years, but I can give you what I have left. Break his shell, Orange Cat. Finish what I couldn't. Stay back. This one's mine. That hurt, but I got 8 more.
Die and come back. I'll just kill you 9 times.
Found a crack in your armor. Third life's the charm, right? His chest. That's where my power sits. It's his heart and his weakness. But you'll need to get through 6 inches of dark crystal to reach it. Life 4, squish. Life 5, zap. Life 6, shred. 3 more lives, 3 more upgrades. Get off me! What are you?
2 lives left, Ziggy. Just 2.
Everyone, now! Eight lives to learn your weakness. 1 to finish it. No! No! The power! It was mine! One life left. Better make it count. The original gate won't crack anymore. I'll hold it, but the other gates are still dying, faster than ever. 1 life, 50 gates, and a stone made of paper. Prism, what are we doing after this?
We get a really long nap together.
Fish with legs and swords? This world is messed up.
1 wing is enough to fight. Don't underestimate the cripple.
Save us. The Fish King eats 1 cat every sunrise. Everybody run! Make some noise!
Cats. In my palace? I haven't had fresh cat in hours.
Can't die. Can't die. Cannot die!
Hey, fish face, dizzy yet? Keep spinning, Chomp.
It's fused to him. We can't just pull it out. I know you're scared. You don't want to disappear. But the gate is dying. If it dies, you die too. Come with me, and I'll make you part of something bigger.
The shard chose you, and your stone, 1 crack just healed.
When the shard comes willingly, the stone heals. That's the secret. We don't take, we ask.
I tried to force the gates. That's why they broke. You talk to them. Maybe you're a better guardian than I ever was.
I'll hold all of them. Go save them one by one. But Ziggy, if I go back in, this time there's no coming out. Go! I can hold them, but not for long. My mind is scattering. Ziggy!
Ouch! This one's angry! Every step is a shock!
He didn't leave you. He was locked away. And right now, he's dying to keep you alive. Your builder is right there, holding your door together.
We're the size of ants here, and the shard is on a cat bigger than a skyscraper.
Climbing a giant cat. This is every small cat's nightmare and dream. You're not alone. There are 100 pieces of you out there. They're all waiting to be whole again. Come home.
Where is everything? There's nothing but reflections.
Prism, your light makes the water solid! Freeze the surface!
A reflection isn't fate. It's proof something real exists above. You're proof the gates are real. Don't be afraid.
Hold on, old friend. Just a little longer.
I'm sorry. Not for locking you away, but for never coming to explain why. You deserve that much, Void. You deserved a friend who stayed.
Every gate is glowing. The whole sky is golden. Ziggy, your stone is healing itself.
How sweet. They made up. They healed. They think it's over. It's not. I've been behind every gate since the beginning, and I'm hungry. That world tasted like Tuesday. Who's next?
My whip! It ate my whip! This thing eats everything!
It ate my light! Nothing hurts this thing!
It doesn't just eat attacks. It eats dimensions. That's what it is.
2 worlds gone! In seconds! We can't let it reach the others! It eats everything taken, but it can't digest what's given freely! Feed it a gift, and it'll choke!
I'm not being eat. I'm walking in as a guest. Big difference.
That is the dumbest plan that might actually work!
Free gift. No charge. Can't return it. Can't rejoy. Enjoy.
Hold just a few more seconds.
Everything I have, freely given!
Your stone, it's gone. But you're alive. You're normal again.
Normal? I was never normal. I'm a cat who jumped through the sky.
The gates are stable. For now.
Prism! Did my reflection just wink at me?
Don't you dare jump into another.
Took you long enough to look down. Everyone always looks up at the gates. Nobody checks the puddles. I just made a gate? The old stone connected gates. This one creates them.
Someone else is making gates up there, and it's tearing this place apart!
You broke my master. You broke my power. So I'll break your world. One garbage gate at a time.
You make junk gates. I make real ones. Let's see whose doors last.
Boost his gates. Charge them up.
One big gate. Drain it all. If I can't live in this world, nobody can.
Can't stop the drain? Then build a refill. You wanted to live inside a gate? Wish granted.
No more worlds for you. Just a tiny door and a lot of quiet.
This isn't over, Orange.
The sky's turning blue again. Your gate is healing the world.
That stone creates, but creation has a cost. The mirror world below can only hold so many reflections before it cracks.
Ziggy, come home, baby. Mom's been waiting behind this door forever.
Ziggy, that's not possible. You said your mom disappeared when you were a kitty and... There you are, my little Ziggy. I knew you'd find me.
Mom!
Ziggy, look at her feet. No shadow.
She knows things only Mom would know. She remembers my favorite sleeping spot.
Because it's reading your mind. Every memory, every wish, it builds them into walls.
Don't listen to them, baby. They want to take you away from Mommy again.
You're not my mom. My mom would never need to lock me in to keep me.
Give me the stone! I need to exist! Without it, I'm nothing!
You don't need my stone. You need a door. A door that stays open so you're never alone again.
I just didn't want to be forgotten. Like all the gates, nobody visits anymore.
Another world saved. Another friend made. Not bad for a cat with no plan.
It's quiet. Almost too quiet. When's the last time we had a boring day?
That melody. I hummed it when I built the first gate. Nobody else knows it. Nobody. The gates are moving on their own. They're forming a shape. It looks like void.
You grew up so brave, Ziggy. I've been watching through every gate you saved. Every single one.
Master Solara, you're alive. After 1,000 years, you're alive.
Not just alive, Void. I've been busy. I've been weaving a safety net between every world for 1,000 years. The Devourer punched holes in it. If we don't fix them in 3 days, worlds collide and everything ends.
Run with me! We fix holes from both sides. I go left, you go right. We stitch in the middle. Don't touch the chaos in between. It'll erase you.
The chaos is fighting back. It doesn't want to be sealed.
Fixing one hole stressed the net. The second hole is ripping open. I'm not as strong as I used to be. 1,000 years of weaving takes its toll. Don't push, Ziggy. Feel. Every world you saved lives inside you now. Let them guide the thread. 2 worlds are gone forever. The net needs something in those spots. You need to create 2 new worlds, Ziggy. From nothing. From your imagination.
A world made of music. Every sound is alive. Every song has a heartbeat.
2 worlds. From nothing. You're not just a gatekeeper anymore, Ziggy. You're a world maker.
For the first time in 1,000 years, the gates are in balance.
I have to go back behind the doors, baby. The net needs a weaver inside. But now you know, every gate you look through, Mom is on the other side watching.
There's a gate under our world point and it's breathing?
Every time we think it's over, the world says surprise.
Nightmares are coming alive! Every cat's worst fear is right in front of them!
The fog is coming from the gate below! It's turning fears into real things!
It's breathing. The gate is alive, and every breath pushes more nightmare out.
Can't seal it from outside. We go in.
Every cat's fear is stored here, and the balls are cracking. My fear is here too. An empty collar. Being powerless.
Prism!
Get off me! I'm not alone! I have Ziggy! I have...
Without the stone, you're nothing. Just a stray who got lucky.
Ziggy!
I jumped through the first gate with no power. I fought with no plan. The stone doesn't make me brave. I was brave first!
You're not alone. Never were. Never will be.
Seal them all! Every fear back in its bubble!
The gate doesn't need to be sealed. It needs to breathe. Just without the nightmares. Did you see that? The red pulse. That's not the stone. That's something inside the stone. Something that was always there.
The little orange cat thinks he's the guardian now. How adorable. I was here before the first gate, before the first cat, and I am so tired of sleeping.
The ground has a heartbeat! Our whole world is on top of something alive! Abyss is the ground we stand on. The gates are pores on its skin. It's been asleep forever, and it's waking up! The ground is peeling off! Our world is just a layer on this thing's back!
A speck on my skin, talking to me. How curious.
Don't wake up! If you do, all worlds disappear!
Your worlds are mold on my back. I want to scratch. I want to stretch. I want to wake up. Why should I care about mold?
The ground is ripping apart! Ziggy, whatever you're doing, do it faster!
You're not itchy because of us! You're itchy because your pores are clogged! The gates keep your energy flowing! Without them, you'll never stop itching!
That felt good. The itch stopped. You can fix this?
Every gate. I'll keep them all flowing. Just don't roll over. I made a deal with the ground. Keep the gates clean or we all die. No pressure. For once, the fate of everything rests on a cleaning schedule.
So what now? No monsters, no apocalypse, just peace?
Don't jinx it. She hasn't returned. Mom went back through the gate 3 days ago. The stone says she never arrived.
Ziggy, where is she?
It's tapped on the side! The net sealed the path! Mom is trapped on the other side! Mom! I can see her! She's tangled in the net!
The net thinks we're viruses! Run faster!
Mom, wake up! Mom!
Ziggy, the dream. It's eating the net from inside. We harfing your science. Snap out of it! It's a dream trap!
You don't have to steal to grow. I'll give you your own space. A real home, not a stolen one.
You solved it without fighting. That's my boy.
This time, you're staying. No more doors, at least until you're better.
When did my kitten become the boss?
5 guardians. For the first time in history, the gates have a full team.
The red pulse stopped. But the stone is changing, growing something inside. I've never seen this before.
Race you to the bell tower!
Please! I have wings. You know, for a cat who fell through a gate by accident, you turned out okay.
I didn't fall. I jumped. There's a difference.
It's growing. The stone is creating life. Not gates, not worlds. Life. Something totally new.
Ziggy, you're not just a gatekeeper or a world maker anymore. You're something that doesn't have a name yet.
I can't stop it! It's growing faster than I can cut! Every energy we use makes it grow faster. We're feeding it!
The micro-worlds inside the flowers are expanding! Things are coming out!
The stone has bonded to you. Removing it could kill you. But if it keeps growing, Abyss wakes and we all die.
Don't stop it. Direct it. Give the growth a purpose. One big world instead of 1,000 little ones. The stone needs a blueprint. All of you, come together. One world, one purpose.
A world where every gate opens, where every cat from every world can meet. A crossroads.
It's beautiful. Every gate leads here. Every world is connected through this place.
Fish cats, yarn cats, ice cats, lightning cats. This is either the best idea or the worst idea I've ever had.
The gates were built to connect. We forgot that. Until now.
Protocol Omega? I've never heard of. That's not from Abyss. That's from something older than Abyss. 72 hours? Until what?
Until every gate shuts. Every world disconnects. Every connection we built, gone.
"72 hours to hack a system older than every thing. Let's go break some rules."
Breaking rules? That we're good at.
Found it. Gate 000. The first pore on Abyss's skin. That's where the kill switch lives.
The center of Abyss. I've never gone that deep. Nobody has. It's the most dangerous place in all of existence.
Under the skin. We're inside Abyss now. Watch where you step. That's a blood vessel.
Immune response! Abyss thinks we're an infection! Deeper! The signal from Gate 0 is getting stronger!
What does it do?
No one knows.
Gate 000. The first door ever made. Before me, before Void, before everything. Whoever made this was the first builder.
The first builder wasn't a cat. It was just light, pure light. And it set the safety limit at 100 gates. Wait, there's something in the mirror. A tiny piece of the original builder. It's barely there, like a last breath.
Everyone, give it everything! One shot, one chance! Limit removed! No cap! The gates can grow forever!
It blessed you. The first builder passed its last will to you. Ziggy, you're the heir to everything.
I can feel everything, every gate, every world, even Abyss's heartbeat. Is this what the first builder felt?
Careful, Ziggy. Feeling everything means every problem is your problem now.
The sky is dreaming! Abyss's dreams are leaking into our world! Cats are falling asleep with their eyes open!
Abyss has been sleeping too long. Its dreams are overflowing. If we don't fix this, everyone becomes part of the dream, forever.
Symbiosis. The gates become part of Abyss. Abyss becomes part of the gates. But we need a bridge. Someone who belongs to both worlds.
I become the bridge. I don't die, but I become the skates, the dreams, everything. I'd be everywhere and nowhere.
No, there has to be another way.
I'm not losing everyone to save myself. That's not who I am. Never was!
I feel you, Abyss. You're lonely too, just like the shards, just like everyone. Let me in. Let me be your friend.
If you're becoming the sky, then I'm becoming the sky with you. You said I'd never be alone. Same goes for you. One bridge breaks, 5 bridges hold. We do this together, baby.
Heartbeat synced, dreams flowing through the gates. The system is alive. For real this time. I'm still me, still a cat, still got 4 paws and a bad habit of jumping into things.
Don't you dare.
One curious cat, one jump, and the entire universe changed. Perhaps curiosity doesn't kill the cat. Perhaps curiosity saves everything.
Hey Prism, see that new gate over there? The one nobody made? I bet there's something amazing on the other side.
Here we go again.
Ready?
Always.